Nexo is a coin that explicitly is as of now exchanged at $0.555412 per unit, with the market capitalization of $311,030,655, that basically makes it a low-position digital currency, which essentially is very critical. Computerized resources like Nexo have currently commonly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for pretty enormous institutional financial backers who explicitly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a kind of powerful in every practical sense fence against expansion that takes an exceptionally weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Thusly, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto generally is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who explicitly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in an unobtrusive manner, as a matter of fact. In any case, with it fundamentally comes the need to intently by and large follow the advancements on the expressed market to fathom the kind of current circumstance and especially have some feeling representing things to come. This Nexo cost expectation model most certainly was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, basically track down the fundamentally the best coins or tokens to basically put resources into and sort of keep the value been developing. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the overall Nexo investigation and cost expectation, we might want to by and large help you to remember the fundamental standards of digital money exchanging and speculation, or so they generally thought. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its certainly current standings, as well as the mid-term and especially long-haul cost expectation that in a real sense depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, in an unpretentious way. Right now, the cost of Nexo generally remains at $0.555412, and this specific computerized resource in every way that really matters stands firm on the 74th footing in the worldwide digital currency positioning in an unpretentious manner. For kind of your data, the positioning of each and every digital money explicitly is vigorously dependent on its really current market capitalization and cost, and fundamentally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to, showing how so. How about we center around the Nexo market, its kind of current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that in a real sense depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, which basically is genuinely critical. Likewise, to basically get a by and large better in every practical sense handle of the market circumstance and fundamentally grasp the very broad heading of the pattern, or to truly enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on September 28, the cost of Nexo really remained at $0.546982 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.37% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior. On September 22, the Nexo market for the most part remained at $0.567554 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As the outcome, the value sort of moved by 0% corresponding to its fundamentally present standing. A month prior, on August 29, Nexo certainly was estimated at $0.609384, which basically concurred with our cost expectation for that truly specific period, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Contrasted with the extremely present place of Nexo, it addresses a 8.86% cost move, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. With regards to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves certainly more as a mark of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its extremely in general prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which really is very huge. Numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as a vital marker to sort of be considered prior to going with exchanging choices a quite large way. It truly is determined by duplicating the kind of complete number of coins that are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by and by sort of stands at $0.555412, or so they really thought. Considering that recipe, we most certainly have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to sort of be at $311,030,655. which legitimizes its place as the 74th coin among those fundamentally present on the cryptographic money market. So as the outcome, the cost commonly moved by 0%, comparable to its genuinely present standing a month prior, on August 29. Nexo in every practical sense was valued at $0.609384, which especially concurred with our cost expectation for that really specific period in a kind of significant manner. Yesterday, on September 28, the market capitalization of Nexo really remained at $306.310.05 when, keep going week, on September 22, the aggregate sum of certainly capital committed to Nexo in a real sense was laid out at $317,832.44, the information from a month prior, enlisted on August 29, generally shows that Nexo explicitly had a market capitalization of $341,254,918 in a very significant manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that essentially have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and are either flowing available or secured in designers' or alternately holders' cool wallets, which in every practical sense is very critical. The sort of all-out supply likewise considers any coins that especially have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. Genuinely further appearance how yesterday, on September 28, the cost of Nexo basically remained at $0.546982 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.37% distinction when contrasted with the very current cost. 7 days prior, on September 22, the Nexo market in every way that really matters remained at $0.567554 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a truly significant manner. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that certainly is public on the financial exchange, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The absolute stockpile of Nexo right now fundamentally remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo, or so they especially thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock basically is the most normally involved extremely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which in every way that really matters is very huge. It relates with the best estimate of the especially and general number of coins that for the most part are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity in a kind of significant manner. Their volume doesn't in every practical sense incorporate the coins that are vested, marked in extremely savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or fundamentally put unavailable for general use in an exceptionally significant manner. The circling supply in every practical sense is essentially what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange, or so they certainly thought. At this moment, the flowing stock of Nexo for the most part is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo. Over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market commonly added up to $2,009,139 in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on September 28, the fundamentally normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting really